Hey guys, welcome to my vlog, and today we are going to make a new invention. So basically, we have this for the platform. We also have slime. It's pink, see? And we also have this fishing rod looking thing. And also I have a baby sister. Say hi. Here we go. So basically, we're going to take this and put it up here. As you can see, we have it. We have it on the platform. We also have the lid. So basically, we need the light, and it has to reflect on the wall and stuff. So basically, how you do this is you have to get some slime. You can take it out of the container if you want to play with it. You need to take a little bit of the slime and put it on the platform so this will stick and be on the container. My sister's talking too, it's okay. So, we're going to be taking a little. We're going to roll it. Well, not roll it, something like roll it, but making it straight. My sister is trying to touch the bone. Okay, so now we got the little platform part for the the container lid. Because you need a metal lid like this, like the shiny one, the shiny lighted one. Okay, so now I'm gonna put this in. Now it's standing by its own, and it reflects the pink. Oh, sorry guys, that was my sister. As you can see, the slime. Say hi. 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 So now sorry, I wanted to do that. So now you have the platform that's facing this way. Yeah. So basically, we're gonna put the platform up here. So we're gonna take it, guys, up here, and move it here. Sit up here. So now I'm gonna make the platform again. So basically, we have the platform. Say hi. Say hi. What hurts? Okay, so now we're gonna put the platform on the pink bag. Then we're gonna take the reflection part, the metal lid. Then we're gonna have to be quick to put the container behind it. And then put the slime. My invention's gonna break. And then I'm gonna put the slime in. Stop slapping my butt. I was about to say butt, but it's my butt. Sorry, guys. Okay, so now I'll turn this around. As you can see, the slime is popping out still with the container on the bottom, then container lid, and the platform on the bottom. Because when the sun reflects here, it'll go back to the sun, which is cool. So now it's time to use the fishing rod. Well, it's basically a bow and arrow part where it's like this, and then you have to sling it back there. Yeah, and also, oh hi mom. This is my mom. She's tall. Just wait. Look, because we're in the basement. Sorry for that noise. Okay, so now I gotta back up because my sister's not here. Okay, so you can see that. So now, as you can see, we are going to add things to make a new invention. So, we're going to take this. So basically, we're going to take this, push it down. Okay, so now we'll be needing to take some slime for this because it'll go back and go like that and whip. It'll whip like that. Sorry guys, just wait a second. So now we're going to leave this to fall if it wants to. We're going to take this back out, and you have to get slime so it'll stay in one spot. Whoopsies, a platform fell. That's okay. Squish it down. Okay, squish it down.
Aside from Jennifer Hudson, the
And then we're gonna do this again. We're gonna move this over. Okay, so now we're gonna do that. And then we're gonna connect it. So when the sun reflects and it goes back to the sun, as you can see, I'll hold the container down. Then we're gonna do this hand. Boom! That's our new invention to do. Okay, so as you can see, guys, this is our invention. Okay, so when it reflects back and it can see, if it goes back up there, here, let me show you guys. If it goes back up there, you can shoot. You can shoot up there. Shoot up there. Shoot. 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 Sorry, guys. I'm dumb. See you. Now we're going to add some things to get decorated. We're going to get some eggs. 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 Who doesn't love eggs? Not the eating eggs. I mean, some people don't like eggs. So now we got this. These. I'll be needing. So, this. For our invention, we'll be needing shoot up. Because basically, I told you guys already, something to shoot up. So guys, we'll be needing to connect these and let them stay for a while. Yeah. And then the eggs, you can also shoot, and you're just gonna go whoop out. Okay, sorry guys, I was watching. Okay, so basically you can do it this way or this way. Well, you mean to go this way with shooting, because you need to do this. I'm gonna put it in here and then squirt it. So we're gonna put this here and then shoot at you guys like. And the eggs. So if you really want to be creative, I don't know what you can do. I'm a creative artist in my school. So I don't know what to do with these eggs actually. Oh, I have an idea. So we should connect these. I know they're odd colors. Oh, and also guys, if you want to go to summer camp in Boys and Girls Club, I'm going to summer camp tomorrow. It starts from here to August until the summer ends. So it's basically called summer camp. That's why. Okay, so now our egg is done. And we have this. We're going to use this. We're going to put this behind egg. So when it hits, it'll hit the container. So when it hits there, it's going to boom. And then it's going to... And when it hits the container, I'll go like... to you guys. So now we are going to take off this. Move this. Take this. They're just going to hit each other. Sorry guys. Okay, so now, yeah, we're gonna do that. So basically, you guys will see this. The eggs here right on the container thing. So now when it's leaning, and we'll make that sound. So, whoopsies, a wood bill. Oof. Now we're gonna put this here. We're gonna do that instead, and then put this here. And put the slime under here. Okay, before we're gonna attach it, we're gonna do this. And now we're gonna put this. Okay, so now we're gonna make the invention like this. Because I need to get revenge on my friends. It'll make that sound. Oh, it's shining at me! Well, that's good. So we don't need this part, so. See ya. And we're ready to try our new invention. Sorry, guys. We need something to hold it behind it. Let's find something that we can use. First, we're going to show you our invention. Oh, yeah. And we're watching Filipino things. Whatever. Okay, so sorry. As you can see, we have things here that we all be using for invention. We should use this. This is heavy. So we're gonna use it so we can stay in place. Hello. Hello, my friends. We're back to my room. Okay, whatever. Putting this behind it. So when the reflection tries to go on the lion, it will fail because I don't know why I'm talking like this. But I'm acting very weird. I am very weird. Now we are going to put this back in place. Sorry guys, I'm acting weird. I don't think it's funny though. Yeah, I don't know why I'm acting. Okay, anyways, we're gonna put this back in place. And this back in place. So now whenever we're gonna lean back, let's do that and bam. Okay. These two are not staying in place. They're very naughty. Should we put some two things that are heavy on both sides? I think we should. Let's go. Whoop!